What are pivot tables?
The pivot tables in Microsoft Excel are powerful tools that help you quickly summarize, analyze, and explore large amounts of data. By arranging your information in different ways, you can spot patterns and trends that may not be obvious in your raw data. Pivot tables are essential for making your data more understandable and making better decisions based on your findings.
Preparing your data.
Before creating a pivot table, ensure your data is organized into columns with clear headers. Remove any blank rows or columns, and avoid merging cells within your main data set. The better your data is prepared, the easier it will be to use pivot tables effectively. Consistent formatting helps Excel correctly interpret your information when building summaries.
Creating a pivot table.
To create a pivot table, select any cell within your data range. Then go to the Insert tab and click on Pivot Table. Excel will prompt you to confirm the data range and choose where to place the pivot table. Once you confirm, a blank layout and a field list will appear, ready for you to build your summary.
Building and customizing your pivot table.
With your blank pivot table ready, you can drag and drop fields from your data into the areas labeled rows, columns, values, and filters. For example, you might place product names in rows, months in columns, and sales amounts in values. You can easily rearrange, sort, or filter to explore your data from different angles.
Analyzing data with pivot tables.
Pivot tables make it simple to calculate totals, averages, counts, and more. You can click the drop-down arrows next to row or column labels to filter your data. By right-clicking a value, you can change the summary type or format numbers. Use built-in features like slicers for easy filtering and explore trends or outliers with just a few clicks.
Tips for success with pivot tables.
Refreshing your pivot table updates it with any changes made to the underlying data. Always check that your data source is accurate and up-to-date. Experiment with different arrangements. Try using calculated fields for advanced analysis. And remember that you can always undo changes. With practice, pivot tables can become an indispensable tool for any data task.